Stop losing visitors because your Wix site looks broken on their phone. Let's make it shine everywhere. First, understand that your Wix website automatically tries to adapt to different screens, but we need to guide it. The key is understanding how Wix handles responsive design by default. As you resize your browser window, notice how elements might get closer together or stack. Wix uses something called breakpoints to determine when these changes happen. Now, let's dive into the Wix mobile editor. From your main editor, look for the switch to mobile icon, usually found at the top. This is where the magic of customization happens. Here, you can switch between different device previews, mobile and tablet. This lets you see exactly how your site will look on these devices. The crucial step is to rearrange, resize, and even hide elements specifically for mobile. Drag and drop elements to optimize their placement. Think about how a user would naturally scroll and interact on a smartphone. You can adjust text sizes to be more readable on smaller screens and resize images so they don't overwhelm the mobile layout. Many elements can be adjusted independently in the mobile editor. Don't be afraid to hide elements that aren't crucial for the mobile experience. This keeps your mobile site clean and fast. Once you've made your adjustments, always use the preview function. This is your last chance to see how everything looks before publishing. After previewing, hit publish. Your site is now ready to impress visitors on any device. By following these steps and paying attention to the mobile editor, you'll create a Wix website that looks fantastic and functions flawlessly, no matter the screen size. Happy designing!